53. Sleep. Are you having any problems breathing? Not if you're alive and well. Breathing comes naturally. It requires no thought on our part. If we try to hold our breath, after a certain point we feel and we go on breathing. The same is true of sleeping. To sleep is as natural as to breathe. No man can hold out against sleep more than a little while. Finally, sleep takes over. Then, why do so many have sleeping problems? The reason is often a failure of faith, a lack of trust in the Lord. If we insist on keeping the government of our lives on our shoulders and in rehearsing all our problems instead of surrendering them to the Lord in prayer, we will most certainly be sleepless. Someone has to be in charge of things. If I believe that the Lord is in charge, then I know I'm in safe hands and will sleep readily. As David says, I will both lay me down in peace and sleep, for thou, Lord, only makest me dwell in safety. Psalm 4:8. Sleep, thus, is a religious matter. It's a barometer of our faith, of our trust in the Lord. Psalm 127:2 states the matter clearly. It is vain for you to rise up early, to sit up late, to eat the bread of sorrows, for so he giveth his beloved sleep. We like to dignify our sin. If we are sleepless, we tell ourselves that it's because we are sensitive souls, while our sleeping husband or wife is an insensitive clod. Our lack of trust, instead of being a sin, is converted into a merit and a proof of character. But David tells us the truth. Ready sleep in time of trouble is a mark of faith and trust. I laid me down and slept. I waked, for the Lord sustained me. Psalm 3:5. You will never overcome your sleeplessness as long as you dignify the sin behind it and claim it as a virtue.